Ganesha Chaturthi, also known as Vinayaka Chaturthi, is a Hindu festival that celebrates the birth of Lord Ganesha, the god of wisdom, prosperity, and good fortune. This occasion usually falls in the months of August or September, depending on the lunar calendar. The festival spans 10 days, beginning on the fourth day of the Hindu lunisolar calendar month Bhadrapada and culminating with Anant Chaturdashi, when Ganesha idols are immersed in water during a ceremony called Visarjan. Key traditions during Ganesha Chaturthi include installing Ganesha idols, where families and communities bring clay idols of Lord Ganesha into their homes or public spaces and offer prayers, flowers, sweets, especially modak, Ganesha's favorite, and fruits. These idols are adorned with flowers and garlands. Prayers and Aartis are performed by devotees who engage in daily prayers and Aartis, devotional songs, to seek Ganesha's blessings for wisdom and prosperity. Temples and homes resonate with chants of Ganpati Bappa Moria, invoking the deity's name. Community celebrations are prominent in states like Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu, where large pandals, temporary stages, are set up, displaying huge Ganesha idols. These events often feature cultural performances, music, and social gatherings. Visarjan, immersion, happens on the last day, where the idols are taken in processions, accompanied by singing and dancing, to nearby rivers, lakes, or seas for immersion. This act symbolizes the cycle of birth and rebirth. The festival is a time of great devotion, unity, and joy, celebrated with much fanfare across India, especially in Maharashtra, where it is one of the most significant annual events.